Hi friends, and we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will show you how to delete some posts, reels and stories on your Instagram account. So let's go to the watching if this tutorial is interesting. So let's tap on the Instagram icon, and right now we are on our profile page. Today I will show you how to, as I said before, delete our posts. And let's start with the usual post on our profile. I will click on it. As you can see, the usual posts don't have any icons and shortcuts on them, so I can find smoothly and without any troubles which posts are usual. I will tap on it on this cat, and to delete the usual post I just need to pick on the three dots icon at the top of the screen and use the delete option, which is the red one and is located at the bottom of the list. Later I need to confirm my actions after clicking on the delete option again and wait a minute before the deleting. And right now, after refreshing my profile, I can check that I don't have this newly created post on my profile and my account, and it was removed successfully. Right now, as you can check, this icon means that such a post is a reel, and let's click on it one time to delete this selected reel from my account. So as an example, I want to turn it off, and I just need to pick on the same three dots icon to choose the delete option at the bottom. Let's repeat my choice after clicking on the delete and wait some time before they're removing. Let's tap on the arrow here 2 times to refresh my profile, and as you can check right now, I don't have any reels, any pink reels and any pink posts on my user's profile. Later, let's tap on the stories icon to check my story. This is my new story, and right now I will show you how to delete it smoothly. So I need to pick on the same three dots and use the first delete option here. I need to repeat my choice after clicking on the delete and wait. Let's tap on the stories icon again, and as you can check, I don't have any stories, I can only add another one. So in this way you can smoothly, without any troubles, add some posts and later remove them from your account to create a cool profile and manage it without any troubles. So guys, if this tutorial really was useful and interesting, don't forget about likes and also comment it below, because I really want to hear something from you and to know to find your opinion about this topic. And have a nice day, have a nice time with us after following our channel, clicking on the subscribe button below, and bye bye.